One of the biggest mistakes I see gardeners make is throwing away old 100% cotton shirts, towels, and sheets while spending money on products that promise better water retention. The surprising part is that natural cotton buried beneath the root zone can temporarily hold moisture where plants actually need it. It's not a miracle cure for drought, but it can noticeably slow how quickly your soil dries out, and that can mean the difference between thriving vegetables and stressed plants during a hot week. I discovered this after comparing identical raised beds and actually measuring what was happening below the surface. The topsoil often looked dry, but the roots still had plenty of moisture. That's why I rely on a 4-in-1 soil moisture meter that measures moisture, soil temperature, and light levels. It keeps me from watering based on guesswork. I'll leave the exact one I use in the description if you want to check it out. Later in this video, I'll explain why the depth where you bury cotton matters more than the amount you use. The secret isn't the fabric, it's how water moves through soil. Natural cotton fibers can absorb several times their weight in water. Once buried beneath your plants, they capture rainfall or irrigation and slowly release that moisture back into the surrounding soil as it dries. The result isn't permanently wet soil. It's more stable moisture. That stability reduces plant stress because roots aren't constantly switching between soaking wet and bone-dry conditions. In one tomato bed, I buried shredded cotton about 6 inches below the surface, mixed with finished compost. During a stretch of hot weather, that bed consistently stayed moist longer than an identical bed without cotton, requiring fewer watering sessions while producing healthier-looking plants. Most gardeners make one mistake that ruins this method. They bury whole shirts or folded towels. That creates dense layers underground that roots struggle to penetrate. Instead, shred clean 100% cotton into pieces about 2 to 4 inches across. Mix 1 part shredded cotton with roughly 4 parts finished compost before incorporating it beneath the planting layer. This creates dozens of small moisture pockets throughout the bed instead of one large barrier. The roots grow naturally through the compost while benefiting from stored moisture around them. Not every garden benefits equally. If your soil is sandy or your raised beds dry out every few days, this technique can make a noticeable difference. If you garden in heavy clay that already stays wet for long periods, adding more moisture retention usually isn't helpful and may even reduce oxygen around roots. I've also used small amounts in large vegetable containers where limited soil volume dries quickly during summer. Even there, the improvement was noticeable. And while I don't use cotton as hydroponic growing media, I have used it during seed starting to help stabilize moisture before transplanting. If you enjoy practical gardening experiments backed by real results, subscribe now because the next section explains why this trick keeps improving the soil even after the cotton disappears. The biology underneath is doing the real work. Cotton is almost entirely cellulose. That means fungi, bacteria, and earthworms eventually break it down into organic matter. Over the next 1 to 3 growing seasons, depending on moisture and temperature, the cotton slowly disappears while contributing carbon that helps build healthier soil structure. That's why I only recommend untreated 100% cotton. Avoid polyester blends, waterproof fabrics, heavily dyed textiles, or chemically treated materials. Those don't provide the same biological benefits and shouldn't become part of your soil. Water retention only works when the soil stays alive. I've learned that moisture alone doesn't produce healthy plants. Roots also need oxygen, active microbes, and good structure. That's why this technique works best alongside compost, mulch, and regular additions of organic matter. Cotton simply becomes another tool supporting a much larger system. When all those pieces work together, you'll notice fewer moisture swings, healthier root systems, and plants that recover faster during hot afternoons. Here's what actually changes your garden. Old cotton won't eliminate drought. No material can replace rainfall or irrigation. But it can help your soil use every drop of water more efficiently while gradually becoming part of the organic matter that makes gardens more resilient year after year. That's a far smarter investment than constantly buying products that promise instant results. Healthy soil is built by understanding biology, water movement, and decomposition, not by chasing shortcuts. If this experiment gave you a new way to think about soil moisture, subscribe to FarmLogic and share this video with another serious gardener. The more you understand what happens below the surface, the less you'll struggle above it.